What does the future of electric mobility hold? Is it excellent driving range? Optimal everyday practicality? Lightning fast charge times? The Audi e-tron Quattro concept, the benchmark of future technology. An e-tron with a total range of over 310 miles that can be fully charged at 150 kilowatts within 50 minutes. The battery is mounted low to optimize handling. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds and can generate a torque of 590 pound-feet. This is accomplished by 3 powerful electric motors and 4-wheel drive. Audi Quattro. The Audi e-tron Quattro concept has a drag coefficient of just 0.25, superior figures for an SUV. This is enabled by an enclosed underbody, dynamic air suspension, and movable aerodynamic elements that optimize airflow around the car based on its driving speed. Vorsprung durch Technik in all components. Matrix laser OLED headlights, the high-end Z-Fast processor for piloted driving, a high-output solar roof, and an innovative interior concept with curved OLED touch displays. The Audi e-tron Quattro concept.